Hello guys, good morning. It's Monday, February 2, 2026. And still we are here in Mindanao for our mission of vocation campaign for all the schools in Misamis Oriental, especially here in District 1. So now and today we are going to Esperanza National High School, Kinugitan. Dahil itong araw nito ang ating second to the last na schedule para sa vocation campaign sa school. At alas 9 po ang ating appointment sa school na ito. At magbigay ng talk para sa mga grade 10 to 12. So this is it. So oras natin is 8:46 in the morning. And nandito pa rin tayo sa kalagitnaan ng daan. So makakating ko tayo doon after 10 minutes. So see you there, Esperanza National High School, Kinugitan, Misamis Oriental.